if you're diving into the world of crypto, having a reliable wallet is key. Today, we're looking at Bitget Wallet, a platform that promises security and user-friendliness. But does it really deliver on those promises? Let's find out. Bitget Wallet is designed to be a comprehensive Web3 crypto wallet that aims to cater to both newcomers and seasoned crypto enthusiasts. The wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, making it versatile for different users. One of the standout features is its emphasis on security. Bitget incorporates multi-signature technology and advanced encryption methods to keep your assets safe. Navigating the interface feels relatively straightforward, which is a big plus for beginners. You can easily send, receive, and manage your assets without feeling overwhelmed. However, while the user experience is generally smooth, some users might find the lack of in-depth tutorials or guidance a bit frustrating, especially if they're new to crypto wallets. The wallet also claims to offer seamless integration with decentralized applications, but specific details on how well it performs in that regard are somewhat vague. Overall, while Bitget Wallet has a solid foundation, there are areas where clarity and additional features could enhance the user experience. Let's break down the pros and cons of Bitget Wallet. On the plus side, its security features are robust, which is crucial in the crypto space. The user interface is friendly, making it an appealing choice for beginners. However, there are some drawbacks worth noting. For one, the lack of comprehensive customer support options could leave users feeling stranded if they encounter issues. Additionally, while it supports a range of cryptocurrencies, some may find that certain lesser-known coins are missing from the list. The wallet also lacks advanced features that seasoned traders might expect, which could limit its appeal to more experienced users. In terms of trust, while Bitget has made strides in the crypto community, it's essential to stay cautious as the crypto landscape can be unpredictable. Overall, if you're new to crypto and looking for something straightforward, Bitget Wallet may suit you, but experienced users might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Bitget Wallet is a solid entry-level option for those just stepping into the world of cryptocurrency. Its security measures and user-friendly design make it appealing, but it may not fully meet the needs of more advanced users. If you're looking for simplicity and security, give it a try, but keep your expectations in check.